Hello everyone, I'm here with another layout of my great nephew, the other great nephew. I have three. No, hold on. I have one, two, I have four. No, my niece just said, no, I have five. Alright, so the purple cardstock is Ballo cardstock. The brown leaf pattern is from Hickory Club Sweater Weather. Sorry, I just dropped my leg. That white and black pattern that I'm using for my photo mat is September Days, which is the September kit. And this is the October kits that I'm using. And then this washi tape, did it come with this kit? I think it came with the September kit. I think so, yeah. I'm pretty sure. What you doing, pet? I need to check on things. Yes, I do. I want her to run off. Right, Sabrina? Yes, uh-huh. Yes, uh-huh. So, Reese went outside at, oh my gosh, what time? It was as soon as it got daylight. She wanted out earlier, but she just went on the back porch. And when I rented, we lived in a secluded area where there wasn't much traffic, and woods surrounded us. I had one neighbor across the road, so she would go outside and she would go in the woods and explore or whatever, and it kept her skinny. Since I bought a house and I moved, it's more, it's neighbors. It's in a neighborhood, and the road is more traveled, and so I worry about her. And we have coyotes, and there's a bobcat, and so there's more predators than what I had at the rental. So she got fat. I mean, she is pretty big because she hasn't been going outside. So I've been letting her. So I made her wait till daylight. So I let her out, and she's been out pretty much all day, and I've been checking in on her. So she moved from one end of the house to the other end of the house, and she's just, laying out. So as long as she stays within the yard, I don't mind. I just don't want her. And if somebody does, if she does wander off, I mean, she is chipped, but still, I don't want her anywhere beyond my yard. Because just recently my husband left the puppies unattended. They're 7 months old. Left them attended, and they disappeared. And thank God my coworker she's like, I'm a member of Leesburg Word of Mouth. She goes, I'll look on there, and thank God she found them, because I was beside myself. And she found them. Someone took them to the Lake County Animal Shelter. I was like, no, never again. I'm like, they don't run off for me. But So thank God we got the puppies back, but still. Anyway, so the chipboard flare is Paint Fresh Studio The Best Day. The wooden leaves are Sweater Weather Wood Veneer. My die cuts are Sweater Weather, and the wood buttons are Sweater Weather Wood Veneer printed buttons, just to catch everything up. And because we're coming to the end of the layout, because this pretty much ends it. And so that green button at the bottom, it fell from the top, and I didn't realize it when I took the pictures, but I did. As you see, I cropped it out because I did move it back to the top. Even though the top's going to show it missing, it is there. But anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.